But Kenny's got one of the new U-joints. We're gonna start right here. This is the differential end. So we're just gonna, this is the last one we tore out, so we're gonna start putting these back in.
I'm gonna take all these caps off here. I don't think it matters where they go. But we need to start with one. You have a piece of clean paper towel there, brother. Just so that, because we're gonna have to press one cap in first, I would think.
Yeah, well, you can slide the, I don't know if you want to go all the way in. I think you want to try to work that in there and get it lined up.
Actually, let me do this.
Yeah, that's what we need to do. Get that. Now we're going to have to go slow, get these pressed together. I'm going to have to sit here and help Ken. And then once we get that started, he's going to tap on that a little bit, maybe.
Just so.
And we're going to go real gentle with this because there's no reason to,
go balls to the walls.
Right. We just need to get those pressed in deep enough to get the clips in. And we still got to figure out, I don't know if these are different thickness, but there's 3 different colors, a purple, a gray, and a gold or copper. And maybe we'll put a caliper on the old ones and figure out see if there's any difference. We don't know, but we'll figure it out. Wow. I just used the ball peen end of the hammer, got it seated in there deep enough to get the snap ring. Kenny's putting the calipers on the thickness because looking at them, you can, between the gray and the purple, there was definitely a difference. So
that's 1/16.
He's figuring out the size there. I got to tap that guy in there just a little bit more, and then this side will be done.
Actually,
because
Ray,
this is the differential, and
this thing says the gray and purple are the same size.
Gray and purple. Ouch. So the clips are different thicknesses, and the purple one is the one for our application, according to the Telltale
and
calipers.
I put the caliper on the old one, and it says the purple one or whatever color that is supposed to be.
Looks purple to me, but
hot pink.
Let's see if we can get one going in here.
Let's see, those were all pushed up like that. Can't remember the last. Where's those players at? Oh, here they are.
I got the first clip in. There's a little bit of a gap in there, and we got to just we're gonna have to use the C clamp to just kind of squeeze that one in a little bit. I tried tapping on it with the ball peen, but it ain't gonna go like that. So we just gotta clamp it up a little bit, get this clamp in, and then start working our way back. And just so we're not hitting it with the gun, we're just using a ratchet to tighten that in there. We just got to take that in there deep enough to get the E-clip in there.
Hopeful.
A little bit more. A little bit more.
It definitely pushed that way.
I don't know if we're going to be able to get that clip in there just yet. We'll try it. We got that clip in there. We taped up those caps so we don't lose them. And now we're going to do the center joint there. Get the U-joint pressed in one of them and then the other one, attach them together. The C-clip holes, we figured out we need to clean those a little bit better. But we'll get this joined together, and then the last thing we'll do is put the yoke end on so we don't damage the part that goes up into the transfer case. And we'll get this thing put back together. So we got the middle done. We actually switched to the grays because we think they're thinner.
They went in better.
Yeah, they're just going in better. So we do have one purple on the backside there, but we switched to the grays because they're a little thinner. So we got to do the yoke end and
put it in the truck.
So on to the yoke end. So we got half of that one in. Kenny found a burr on the yoke there, so he's just filing that real quick. Then we'll get the yoke one clipped in there, and then we'll get this reinstalled up in the truck.
All right, we got the yoke on. Seems to be in there good.
No more wobble wobble.
No more wobble wobble. Middle one's in. Got it all done. And then the other end, you already saw that one. And if this goes bad one day, I guess we'll have to.
They do make a one-piece drive shaft. I looked at them. They're like $1,000. So I'm 120 into the U-joint. So we'll see if the carrier bearing goes out. I actually think that's the $40 carrier bearing. So if I remember by looking at what he pulled up on the computer there at the parts store. So
does it come with all this piece here too?
It does.
Oh.
It does. I don't know if the studs were in there or not.
Right.
And we watched a video on YouTube and they drove those studs out, but theirs was a different thing. It had a solid metal plate all the way across here that they broke apart too. So, and then the rubber bushing, like I said, theirs just crumbled right apart.
Yeah.
But we're going to get this installed and call it a day.
Yep. Let me get down here. Underneath here.
Oh.
Sure would have been nice to have a lift.
Yeah, it would have been.
I actually got to turn my.
Sorry about the light, guys. We're going to get this in here. I'll get the yoke slid up.
Ooh.
First. There's a.
Can you see the notch?
I can't see the notch.
Or the
lights in there. I do not see there's a bigger in the yoke there. There's a
bigger groove.
There's like a double wide groove. Let's see if I can get this around. Kenny keeps pushing it on me.
Oh, I'm sorry.
There's a double wide groove right here, and I just got to find out.
I guess we'll just have to put the drive shaft up there and turn it until we find it.
Yeah, but anyhow, I gotta put you guys down while I do this. So, strangely enough, got that slid in
First try,
and we already got the carrier bearing. I got the nuts back up on there. We just there's a mark on here, so we'll just line those up. But maybe we should have a little flop and get it attached.
Well, this accordion, so.
Oh, that does accordion.
Yeah.
Yep. So we're going to go ahead and tighten these up. And
or get them almost, however, yeah.
Did you adjust the ratchet? No.
Oh, I'm sorry. No, I did not.
Oh, sorry. This won't take very long. Maybe Kenny can.
I can't even push up. I'm so weak.
He's weak. He hasn't had a beer yet today. That's why he's weak.
I guess. Oh, maybe if I did this with the lower part of the drive shaft. There we go.
Does that look like it was lined up over there? No, it's got to go back. Oh, I got to shift that aft. Why is that?
Oh, because you've got it too tight? I don't know.
I got those tight up there. Got it lined back up. Kenny's going to stick this in the
You want to
yoke back here. Oh, he's been taking off my lovely tape job without losing the.
Oh, I won't lose the caps because they can't fall off right now.
Is it? Okay.
Yeah,
Kenny's. This
I'm hoping.
telescope's up back and forth in there, so he should have enough play to get this lined up.
Maybe.
I hope.
Oh, that's tight. Get up there. Okay. Uh-oh. I think I'm going to need the hammer to tap those.
Tap those in
Yeah.
to their.
I got
You
you. I
don't
got-
think the clamps will?
Huh?
You don't think the clamps will suck it in?
There's the tabs right here that the cap's got to rest in.
Okay.
I need that light back here so I can see what the heck I'm doing. I forgot I had this bar. I just want to make sure. That one went in.
Did you get the other one in?
I think so. I think she's seated. Let me tap. Tappy right. Yep, I think she's.
Well, as soon as you put the clamps on with the bolts.
Dirty dog.
Can you get to them all?
I think I might be able to. I wonder if there's supposed to be
A torque setting?
yeah.
Yeah, give it all of them. Just don't break them off, please.
Oh, I know. This thing only hits at probably about 150 foot-pounds.
Well, I can guarantee you that those are not
No.
150 foot-pound
No.
torque rating. They're probably more like 20 foot-pounds. You're testing my.
Just trying to stop from turning.
I don't want you to snap it off in the yoke of the freaking
Oh, I know.
rear end because that's a whole different ball of fucking wax. But we should be able to roll with only one clamp on there. I mean, what the hell?
Right?
That's good enough.
All right.
All right, guys. Well, there we go. I know it's dark, but
It's back up,
3 U-joints.
and then we'll go take it for a test drive to see if we have any noise.
Yeah. Hey everybody, we're all cleaned up. We went for a test drive. No noise. Didn't really get it up to highway speed to see about the vibration, but when you let off the gas, that's when I would hear it the most.
Right.
Obviously, when you're under pressure or under acceleration, it didn't seem to make the noise as much. But when you let off the gas, you could hear it or feel it vibrating. So didn't take it up to highway speeds, but we'll see. But
we will probably tomorrow.
Yeah, we're gonna shuffle it back over to my house for the summer, just so it clears up Kenny's yard a little bit here.
So I have 4 vehicles, camper, trailers in my yard.
Yeah. So anyhow, if you guys enjoyed the video, we sure would appreciate a comment,
subscription, and a like.
A like, yeah, it would help us out. But cheers.
Cheers.
Two Drunk Brothers Garage. Another job done.
Yep.
Hope you guys enjoyed it. If you do, we sure would appreciate a subscription and a like, for sure. And until the next video, Two Drunk Brothers Garage. Cheers.
Cheers.